हैदराबाद पब्लिक स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स डे का इनेकाद। खेलकूद में बच्चों ने हिस्सा लिया। फतेह हासिल करने वाली टीमों को ट्रॉफी और मेडल्स दिए गए। महकमे माल के चीफ सेक्रेटरी अजय मिश्रा ने मेहमान खुसूसी के तौर पर शिरकत की।
Hyderabad Public School Begumpet is annual sports day, an annual event generally organized in the month of November, and this is the culmination of all the sporting events for the current academic session, where we are going to have the march past, the track and field events, there are going to be displays by the students, and finally the prize distribution. It's a fiercely fought competition between various houses. As all of you know, the school is divided into four houses, and they were first
come on, it's anybody's game there.
All this is decided, and in our displays almost 2,000 children are participating right from class 1 to class 12. Which you will be able to see.
They do have the best and the spirit.
So overall, a very important day in the calendar of the school, and also very exciting day for the students, because all their effort in the sporting field is going to be rewarded today.